Friends, welcome to this channel, Fundamentals of Engineering. Subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. Click on bell icon to get more notifications for the upcoming video. Today we are going to see one important topic like data interpretation, where the mirror images of alphabets, the spatial aptitude section, here we are going to see. In this lecture we are going to see part 1, that is for mirror images of capital letters. In next part we are going to see the small letters, then numbers, combination of letters and numbers, and objects. There we are going to see. So if you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel, click on bell icon to get more notification of upcoming videos. Let's start how we will get the mirror images of alphabet. So first we have to remember that a mirror image in a plane mirror is a reflected duplication of an object that appears almost identical. Means the size of the image, that is reflected image, is equal to the size of the object, but it is reversed in the direction perpendicular to the mirrored surface. It reverses in the direction of perpendicular to the mirrored surface. So as an optical effect, it results from reflection from the substances such as mirror or water. It is also a concept in geometry and can be used in a conceptualization process in 3D structure. So we are getting some questions in JEE, general aptitude, for the different company selection. There the questions somewhat are based on these mirror images. So here the questions are based on the criteria that few figures are given and you have to find out which is the exact mirror image of the given figure by mirror placed aside. So this image formation is based on the principle of lateral inversion. In lateral inversion, what we are getting? The size of the reflected image is equal to the size of the object, but both sides are changed. Means what? The left portion of an object is seen on the right portion, and right portion of an object is seen on the left portion. Means direction it changes. So how it will look like, that we are going to see based on solving the numericals. So in alphabets, if you look at all the 26 alphabets in our English literature, there for this 26 alphabet the mirror images are given. So A, the mirror image is what? So if you keep the mirror aside, so how we are getting the reflection? Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K up to the Z. So among these 26 capital letters, if you see, some of the images are reflected as same. Means if you get the reflection of that alphabet, that will be the same object. Means you can see here the A, the reflection of A mirror image will be same. Then you can see here H, I, then M, O, then T, U, V, W, X and Y. Among these 26 capital letters, 11 letters are giving the same image, are giving the same reflected images of the capital letters. So if you are getting some numericals, just you have to remember these 11 letters. If these 11 letters are there, then the reflected image will be same. So you have to remember A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. Okay, now we will solve some problem so that you will understand. So choose the mirror image of the following combination of alphabets from the 4 alternatives for the given mirror below. So here dream is the alphabet and here we have kept the mirror. We are having the mirror, and after seeing through this mirror, how we are getting the mirror image that we are going to see. So here D, R, E, A, M. So we have to remember that 11 letters also. So D, the reflection you can get here like this. Then R will be reflected like this. E will be reflected like this. A will be same. The mirror image of A will be same as for the M. That is a vertical direction. So in this mirror image, if you have seen what we are getting, dream means in the mirror image what we have seen, whatever the left portion of the object is seen on the right portion, and right portion of the object will be seen at the left portion. Means what we are getting, whatever the first letter we are getting, that will be come under at the last, and whatever the last letter you are having, that comes first. Okay, so here reflection we are getting M as it is, then A as it is, then E will be reflected, then R, and then D. So among these option, which is correct, you have to check. So M, A, E, R and D. So option 3 is correct. So you can go by the options also. So you can see option number 1, it is not reflected, so it will be cancelled. Then option number 2, what we know that whatever the last will become first, but here the D is coming first, so it will be cancelled. Then here the M come first, but the reflection of D is wrong, so this is also wrong. So option C is correct, or option 3rd is correct, that is the reflected image. We will take another example, that is ultra. Here the reflection we have to take. So we can solve based on the options, whatever the options, 4 options are given, based on that we can go. So the lateral inversion means what we are getting, the first will becomes last, and whatever the last will becomes first. So A, where it comes first in this option, A, C and D. So this will be wrong answer. So A is coming first, then R will be reflected. Here it is not reflected, so it is wrong, so it will not be coming. Here it is reflected. Okay, then next word is T. T will be getting as it is, but here the reflection is given, so it is wrong. So option C is correct. So what we are getting, A will be as it is, then R will be reflected, then T will be same as it is, then L, then U will be same. So A, R, T, L, U, that is a reflected. So in this way we can solve taking the reflection also based on the options we are having. We can nullify the options, and based on that nullification we can get the correct answer. So this is for your exercise. Take the whatever the answers for this question 1 and 2 and put your answer in comment box. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please stay connected and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon for getting more notification. Thank you very much.